What if we slammed the sun into a giant ball of water with the same mass as the sun itself? Would that put the sun out, like throwing water on a fire? All right, let's set it up. We've got the sun, and we'll smash it into an equal mass of water. The note 1m sun just means 1 solar mass, or basically the mass of the sun. We'll send the water flying at 200 kilometers per second, about the speed the solar system moves through space. Why that speed? No real reason, it just sounded good. Okay then, let's make the crash happen.
Hands tight and launch. There it goes, a massive ball of water rocketing straight toward the sun. It's heating up fast, glowing red hot as it races in. Here we go, it's almost impact. Boom! Direct hit. The sun just swelled in size and turned bluish white. And wait, what's this? Look at the readings. Instead of going out, the sun has just powered up to a whole new level. Why? Because the sun runs on hydrogen fuel. So dumping water on it is basically like throwing gasoline on a fire.
All right then, we'll add 100 times more water at each step.
To start, 100 times the previous amount. That's water equal to 100 solar masses. Launch in 3, 2, 1, fire. It's bigger than before, but nothing worth noting.
No!
Next, 100 times that. That's 10,000 solar masses of water. Launch. Pretty much the same as before. Boring.
No! God, please, no! No!
Next, another 100 times more. That's 1 million solar masses of water. Launch. Oh, come on. You've got to be kidding me. Still almost the same as before? I'd rather be staring at a wall at home than this.
Oh, no!
Next, yet another 100 times. That's 100 million solar masses of water. Launch. Next up, another 100 times more. That's 10 billion solar masses of water. Please, let this finally do something.
What is going on here?
Nice.
And here's the result. Hitting the sun with 10 billion solar masses of water turns it into a black hole.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.